Hello everyone, my name is Vikash Upadhyay and I am going to make you familiar with an application named as InstaPlanner. This application had been developed by our instrumentation team of Tata Power Services working at Meenakshi Energy Private Limited. So what is InstaPlanner and how we are going to use it? One by one we will see. You are seeing the tab of InstaPlanner. I am going to click it. So the first tab in InstaPlanner is About Us. InstaPlanner is an Android application which was designed to reduce time of reporting and to make everything digitalized. The application was developed with help of Java codes and HTML5. InstaPlanner was developed by the help of epipy.com which provides app making software. Now the next one, Call Us. Call Us consists of different mobile numbers of our planner HOD, Hoffenkamps HOD, by which we can go and call respective person. Now contacts. Contacts consist of all the important persons or personals of the department such as Swadhin, he is Hoffenkamps planner, Mr. Vikas, he is Tata Power planner, Mr. Pratap, Mr. Ram Prasad, Mr. Hirdayatullah HOD of Hoffenkamps our subcontractor, email ID and address. Next comes the website. As this app was developed with the help of two teams, one is our subcontractor team that is Hoffenkamps and one is the main contractors that are Tata Power Services who had taken this O&M contract from Meenakshi Energy Private Limited. So if I click on Tata Power tab, Tata Power website will be opened. Now without wasting time, I would move to the main part, that is reporting, next day planning, safety, Insta info chat and etc. So description, InstaPlanner is dedicatedly designed for Tata Power MEPL site where daily report can be sent from anywhere, next day planning of jobs can be planned from anywhere, a scaffolding request can be sent by Android mobile application, safety issues can be directly reported to concerned personals. InstaPlanner support all version of Android application. So first we will go to logbook. What is logbook? Logbook is a way to report our job descriptions to our planner after the completion of job. So as we know that our subcontractor team go and do their job, then how they report? They come near the planner traveling a distance of nearly 1 kilometer, 2 kilometers from different places or different portions of plant and they report that. But by this their time will be saved and even they can report it from anywhere. Just one by one I will show you what are the works of different tabs. So for example, Mr. Santosh of Hoffenkamps had done some job taking the support of some technician, example Sheelan. Then type of job was PM. I am going to put a virtual PTW number. So the work order generated. Now the date, example 23rd May. Time, whatever, 13 hours, 35 minutes. The end time could be 18 hours, 48 minutes. Area may be AHP, unit 1, unit 2. If you click here in area, all the areas come. Job plan, for example, cleaning of instruments. And then job description, also we can write cleaning of instruments. So what I want to say that job plant, you can write the whatever the job plant of different equipments like BFP, CEP, and what is the work description, what you had went there and done, what portion of area you had covered. For example, instrument cleaning or in MMD greasing the equipments and healthiness of bearings, etc. Remark also you can write. For example, it is AHP, so dusty environment. Dusty environment. Now MRN number, if I took some material, so I have to put my MRN number. Again I am putting a virtual MRN number. Now item, for example, seal kit. I can attach any file. Just for showing you, I am going to take photo just for an example. I am taking the photo of InstaPlanner synopsis. I take photograph and attach it. Now select if the job is complete. Okay. Now if I click on send daily report, you see a pop-up will open that you had submitted your daily report. Thank you. So in this there are many features. One was logbook. In logbook, engineers and technicians can type their reports and send it instantly from anywhere. In logbook, they can attach photographs, checklist for future reference. Very easy user interface. Make this application very useful. It can save both engineers and planners time and a lot of paper. It is taking some time because uh, our net connection is not so high. So till the time the report is getting submitted, I will tell you about the next one, that is next day planning. In next day planning, again in the similar way, all the pop-ups open and engineer can type the job what they are going to plan next day. See, just now a pop-up came that thank you, your report had been submitted. Now for next day planning, again you will see in a similar fashion everything opens and you can click on engineer's name, technician's name, job description, on what date you are going to plan your job, and even if you don't plan, it will show that your appointment is inappropriate, what you are going to do, PM, CBM, defect, shutdown, means all the categories, boiler, turbine, WTP. And again, if you write the description of your job about timings and submit it, again you will receive that thank you, your planning had been done. As we know that Tata Power's core value is safety, and our Tata Power personnel have an application named as Tata Suraksha, through which they can submit their near misses and different documents or different reportings of safety. But what about our subcontractors? So we had thought in this sense also, so that any of our subcontractor can come and report us whether at what label he is, and that will directly reach to the safety concerned person of the department. For example, in our department, safety concerned things are reported to Mr. Ram Prasad. What is this Insta Info chat? This Insta Info chat is nothing but you can say it's like WhatsApp, and you can instantly right way send a message to anyone and that will be received from other side. For example, if you are talking to a boiler person or a person working in boiler and he is not able to listen your voice, or at turbine floor, you can put a message that please come to conference room. A pop-up will open and that will be received by him, and he will again reach here. Again, the next one is Insta Network, through which you can change your email ID and password. Then comes the Insta tool. Insta tool is one of the features that are basically very helpful to the engineers and technicians. Just for an example, you can go to torch and you can use your mobile torch like this, and currency conversion also you can do from dollar to INR and further things. You can write some notes, you can use your calculator, for example e raised to the power something, then NL natural log. So this tool is also very helpful for our engineers, subcontractors and technicians to change different values to different currency values, or you can say use of torch. Some places light is not there or they have to see some thin wire, something like this. Now one of the features comes scaffolding. Before starting to tell you about scaffolding, here scaffolding issues are taken by our client, that is MEPL. So what we have to do, we have to fill a form, then scan it, then we have to mail them. This nearly takes a time of nearly 15 to 20 minutes. But by using this one, we can create the request from here, and we can also create a PDF scaffolding form, and there we can put our digital signature and everything will be sent within a minute or two. So I will show you about a scaffolding request. See here the requester name you can write, then his phone number, area, then unit 1, unit 2, BOP, location, purpose of a scaffolding, required date, then dismantling date also you can put it, height, length, width, and you can upload the photograph where you want a scaffolding. And similarly you had seen a tab named as submit scaffolding request, and it will be submitted. This will change it into mail form. Then what happens, you have to also create, as I told that this is the mail body. What about the PDF one? So we had used jot form technology to create a PDF form where you can write the location, purpose of a scaffolding, required date, dismantling date, height of scaffolding, and length of a scaffolding, width of a scaffolding, requester name, mobile, and signature. You can have a photograph of your signature and you can put it here. Again you can write it here about further descriptions and submit it. See here we had put an initiative go green, means you are saving a lot amount of paper. You don't have to print form, you have to submit form. That form will be automatically attached to the mail body and it will be sent to the required personnel. Then comes Insta converter. This Insta converter is used to convert different lengths or different parameters, and which is very useful to our technicians and engineers. Then comes the log sheet. This is generally used by our planner to scan all the reports that had been sent, and he can download it. Plus this one is also very useful because few people are having Android phone but few are having Windows. So how to make it user friendly? So we had created again a jot form for Windows, and in the similar fashion all the engineers can report about their daily reports from here. And I think I had told you about all the features, that how this InstaPlanner app works and how much it is useful. In the presentation you are going to see about scaffolding, that how that scaffolding form is created and how it is sent to the personals. It is in a snapshot. Thank you. Have a good day.